Yes, finally friend, I discussed about the 36-inch BHA button hole oscillator. So this knowledge I provide you freely. So you are want to join the oil field as a rest about this channel will help you. I promise to you this channel will help you and help you. Not waste your time. So subscribe me and so you see the first this one is 14-inch drill collar. We have 5 pieces here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This 14-inch drill collar. This thread is 858H90. This thread is 858H90. This name. Spin and box same thread 85H90. This used for our first 36-inch BHA. After I come this one 10-inch drill collar. So you can see this one 10-inch drill collar. 10-inch drill collar. This thread is 758H90. 758H90. Viewers, this is a valuable video. You don't leave the video because I tell you the complete BHA for 36-inch. This is 8/4 drill collar. 8/4 drill collar. See you 8/4 drill collar. This thread is 658 regular. 658 regular. You can note 8/4 drill collar. This also have all 8/4 drill collar we use for the first drilling. One time I go the website and see you the pin side. You see the thread 14-inch pin side. You see now 858H90 thread. This one 10-inch pin side 758H90 thread. This is 8/4 drill collar. This thread is 658 regular. Okay, we use this. Okay, what is this name? You know it is shock shaft. We tell this is shock shaft. This BHA inside coming the equipment. This name is shock shaft. So this thread is same 14-inch drill collar, 85H90 pin and box. Okay, let's go for a. We also use the heavyweight pipe. This name is heavyweight pipe. You can see the difference. Heavyweight pipe here inside have a collar like that. So this heavyweight pipe. This name is heavyweight pipe. This thread is size 658 heavyweight and thread is 658 full hole. 658 full hole. This pipe 658 heavyweight and thread is 658 full hole. So you understand now. This is also we use. Finally I come to a stabilizer. This is very important. This BHA. This name is a stabilizer. My first video I tell you this is two type. This stabilizer you can see here have a box. Here have a box. Here have also box. See this one name is near bit stabilizer. This size is 36-inch. So one side come the bit 36-inch bit. One side come. This side regular thread will be regular and this side connect to the our 85H H90 thread, same 14-inch drill collar. So another one, this is the string. This we need to put the center, because this one side, see, one side have box and one side pin. So this is 85H H90 all. This is two string stabilizer and put one near beat stabilizer. This 3 stabilizer and beat stabilizer, shock shaft, and 14-inch drill collar, 10-inch drill collar, and 8/4 drill collar. After we put 658 heavyweight, that is the BHA. Okay, BHA running time. If you need video, you can subscribe my channel and be with me, please. I think not waste your time. So thank you, Baba. Press a like button for me. I am Krishna. I will produce oilfield video for your learning.